How do you bold text in Squarespace? There's two different ways you could do this. The first is to choose a bold font. So you can see that this header font over here is actually very bold. And what we would do is when we're editing that text, we would select a heading instead of maybe paragraph. You can see if I select paragraph, a lot less bold because paragraph fonts usually aren't very bold, but heading fonts generally are. So in this case, heading 2 looks the best. And that can be controlled in your site styles. We'll take a look at that here in a second. The other thing you can do is if you want to bold specific text, you can click into it and highlight it. And then in the contextual menu, we have a bold option. So we can click bold. The shortcut key for that would be Control B if you're on Windows or Command B if you're on Mac. And that will bold that section of text. So that's a pretty easy way to just quickly bold any text that you want to be bold without having to change the font or the style of the text. Now, like I said, the styles, the site styles, if we click on this paintbrush up here, we can get into the site styles, we can go into the fonts, and we can see we have different font packs chosen. Whatever you have chosen, you can click customize on it. And basically now inside of here, you're going to be able to see the headings. And so we can click on headings, and here's where you can control the weight of the different headings and the sizes of your different headings as well. So this is where you might pick a more bold font and then choose a more bold weight if it's available to you. This font just has one weight available. And you might even have a different style there that you can use, like bold or demi or any of those other options, medium. But that's another way to get in here and change what different fonts are. So maybe if you wanted, your headings to have a bold font, you could use that and change that here in your site styles. But that's how you can bold text here in Squarespace.